to sis. Hey. All right, and today I'm back with my eyelash tutorial. And again, I like to keep it very natural and clean and just woo, like that. So I did my brows in another tutorial video, and this one's for my eyelashes. So I love learning from other YouTubers, and I think that we should always support each other because we're just awesome, right? So I got a technique from just different techniques from watching different YouTubers and just kind of made it my own, by just practicing and, do my little strokes and seeing it works for me, which you can do the same as well. So for me, I love Too Faced. Too Faced mascaras work for me. I love them. My all-time favorite is Better Than Sex by Too Faced. And I actually, which I'm going to be using today, is called Damn Girl by Too Faced. This is pretty good too, but my go-to is Better Than Sex from Too Faced. I, again, am one, if a product works for me, I usually stick with it. I do deviate, I do try different things, but my home base is the products that work for me, that I know have withstood the test of time and have come through for me over and over and over and over and over and over and over again. All right, well, let's get started. So I'm going to start with my tools that I use. So very simple, I don't use a lot of tools, or I don't like it very cumbersome, my workspace. So I just use a mirror to give me the underneath feel, and I could like that close up, like bam. And then I use my mascara, and that is pretty much it. So let's get started. As you can see, I don't have any on. The very basic light eye makeup. Natural feel. All right, let's get started. So what I like to do first is I'll actually start at the base of my brow. And I like having a hand mirror because it gives me a close-up view of what I'm doing. So I start at the base, and this is how you're going to form your lashes, like how you want them to sit. This is gonna help. So again, I just start at the base and with my little mirror, and just start working it in from your eyelid up. But you're not focusing on the tip of your lashes yet, okay? So we're gonna get to that. So again, go up from your eyelid, just kind of work it in, wiggle it, blink down on it, blink down to get more product onto your lashes. Oh, you see? Oh, it's getting there, it's getting there. And I'm gonna keep this eye bare so you can actually see the difference between the two, okay? And so, then you go back to dip your product in again. And I usually don't wear falsies, so for me, this is like key. I like to have the falsie look without the falsies. And for me, my eyelashes aren't super, super long. So that's why I love this method, and I love Too Faced mascara because it just really works for me and my lashes. It gives me the length I need and the volume that I need. So as you can see, it's getting there. So again, you can let it dry a little bit, So, and then I go back in do about 3 times or so to really get a nice thick base if I'm going for that real falsy look. My eyelashes. You see? And now I'm going to do the next step, which is to I actually work on the tips of my eyelashes. It just is so cool. I love it. The way, do you see the difference? Boom, boom, and boom. All right, so here we go. So now you're gonna take the brush and you're just gonna work on the tips. So I like to first go brush them down. And don't be afraid to get your get the mascara on your eyeshadow. You can use Q-tips afterwards to clean them off. So again, just concentrating. So I like to go down first to get it on the inside of the lash. And then I work up blinking and moving it around. Really just focusing on the tips of my lashes now. Boom, you see how this coming together? That's like amazing. Amazing. Close up. So then you can dip it in and you could play with it. You know, you could really play with it. If it gets too clumpy and you wanna like just pull them out or kind of separate them, you just use the other end of your brow brush to release, you know, get that separation from it. Yes, and some people prefer to use thinner ones, but this one is a little thicker. So again, I'm gonna go back in and focus solely, and I'm gonna blink. I'm blinking down on the brush to get more product onto it. And again, you don't really want that clumpy feel on it. So if you feel like there's like one that you want to just kind of pull out a little bit, just go with your brush, comb, take it out, and just focus on just, you know, the ends, and you go back in. So this is how I create my false, non-false eyebrow look. So you can see, isn't that cool? And this is for someone who doesn't really have super long brows. This gives her a nice elongated look. Blink, blink. And again, you can always go back in and you can clean it up with a Q-tip when it dries. So don't be afraid to go in. But again, here is my finished product. Yeah, and this is one that's not done. So I think this technique is really cool, and I think that it is worth practicing and doing. Well, I hope you liked my video. Please hit the subscribe button below, and more great things coming from Countless Tess. So leave your comments. Let me know what you want to see coming up. Let me know if you like this video. Let me know. All right, have a great day, and see you soon.